Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and OS so you choose the right method. Once you know that, open Settings and go straight to Sounds or Accessibility. This gives you the controls you need. If an app will remap buttons, install it now and grant permissions. Make sure to back up current button behavior so you can revert. You're setting up a safe environment to change volume behavior without losing configurations. Now you remap or adjust actions. If using system settings, drag volume sliders or enable volume button shortcuts. This immediately changes how presses affect media, ringer, or calls. If using a remap app, select volume up and volume down, pick the desired action, single tap versus long press, and grant any overlay permissions. Once done, test each press while on a call or playing audio to confirm the behavior. Make sure to save profiles so you can finish by thoroughly testing. Play audio, receive a call, and press each volume button to verify the new actions. If everything works, lock the profile or exit the remap app to keep settings stable. If a button doesn't respond, check that the app has accessibility and overlay permissions, then force restart the device and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: revert to the original profile before uninstalling the remap app to avoid orphan system settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.